Welcome guys, Greenbot back again with another reaction video. Guys, before the video start, I want to make a little statement. I have a PayPal account where I'm gonna link in the description. The first link I'll be in the description, you see me? If anybody want support the channel, them can put any amount you want to put. You can put cents, penny, anything you want to put, you see me? It's to go towards the channel because more can get an official camera or something, because I have to use my phone, and through me I have to have video so much on a charge every minute, the phone battery cannot go. You see me? I'm not really on my phone completely damaged, so I want to see if I can get an official camera for use. You see me? So any amount you want to put, you see me? I don't pressure no one. I say if you're free for choose if no one give yes or no. You see me? So it's not like, you know. Yeah, so I'm going to say that. So the link at the end of the first link will be in the description, isn't it? That's what you want to say. So we're going to react to Little Mix Reggaeton Linto. I get a good amount of requests for that video, isn't it? I'm saying, you know what? I'm going to check it out and see what I'm going to feed, isn't it? Because I think enough people request it most better than a Little Mix, you see me? So I'll check it out and see what I'm going to feed. If you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Any reaction you want, link it down in the description. In the comment section down below. Come on, from my mind fizzle out, you know. You see me? So you have to just with me. So begin now. Woo! Girl, living at them. Woo! Already? Ooh.
Boy, I can see the way you dance and move that body. I know it's crazy, but I feel like you could be
What?
all that I've been chasing in my dreams. Boy, I can see.
Yo, and the next thing too. All along, me never know say them girl that was British. Honest to God, me never know say them girl that was British all along. And somebody point out to me, and I say, what, really? You see me? But it come to my mind and say, oh, that's why them perform with Miss Banks. Because Miss Banks is a British rapper. You see me? That makes sense.
You're looking at me like you want it. But usually I'm like whatever, but tonight the way you moving got me where I'm at. It started when I looked in her eyes. I got close and I'm like, bailemos. Hey, la noche está para un reggaetón lento. Esos que no se bailan hace tiempo. Yo solo la miré, me gustó, me pegué, la invité y bailemos. Hey, so now we dancing un reggaetón lento. Just get a little closer, baby, let go. Excuse me, baby boy, just had to dance with you now. See, there's no.
But no idea I love that girl so much, you know. You see me? Because she have, out of the girl them, she have more of a mature look. She have more of a, like a, I don't say like a seductive look. The other girl look so innocent and everything, but she look more seductive, like she does take your soul. You see me? She have one of them look there. And she can look like Little Kim. Now we.
Body in it that comes close to you, know.
This is after. Yo, the whole island put that for that hand. You want to see him have a great, I tell you. Oh, what?
If you wanna taste, come move it, move it, move it.
Our bodies on fire, we're full of desire. If you feel what I feel, throw your hands up higher. To all the ladies all around the world, go ahead and move it, move it, move it. It started when I looked in her eyes. I got close and I'm like, bailemos.
Hey, la noche está para un reggaetón lento. Esos que no se bailan hace tiempo. Y solo lo miré, me gustó, me pegué.
Oh, hold on there. Them group of guys there. What do you mean? C-O-N. I'm not ready. Hold on, I'm just check something. C-N-C-O. Is that like a Spanish group? Because them sound like a Spanish group or something. Probably from Puerto Rico or. Could I come from Mexico? Let me tell you. Wow, right the number.
when take it to the floor. I know you like this reggaeton lento, but this ain't stopping, baby, till I say so. Come get some more.
Boy, I wish that this could last forever. Cause every second by your side is heaven. Oh, come give me that boom, 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 boom. I tell you, baby, you give me hot. Love me, make me sick, you my doctor.
Oh boy, you hear the lyrics there? Yo, I want me like, the next thing too, I want me like with British singers. I know I cannot compare them with Fifth Harmony, but let's ignore that. But one thing I like with British singers, them can disguise them voice so well. You would even know them are British citizens. That's why I could even tell them are British, because them sound like American, bro. That's why I never know say them are British. You see me? So that's why you have to give British people a big thumbs on the back for that, because them can describe them voice so well. The part 21 Savage. I don't.
Can we get you right here on my tape?
It started when I looked in her eyes. I got close and I'm like, bailemos.
La noche está para un reggaetón lento.
Esos que no se bailan hace tiempo.
Y solo la miré, me gustó, me pegué, la invité, bailemos. Tonight we dancing on reggaetón lento.
Wow, Rosa 10 pan in a club. Where did I Rosa from anyway?
La noche está para un reggaetón lento.
No.
Que no se bailan hace tiempo. It started when I looked in her eyes. I got close and I'm like, bailemos.
Tonight we dancing on reggaetón lento. Just get a little closer, baby, let go. Tonight we dancing on reggaetón lento. Get a little closer, slow the tempo. Tonight we dancing on reggaetón lento.
Yo, that's like PR6 appeal, they up there, like, out of all of them, PR6 appeal, they up there, isn't it? PR6 appeal, like, cause all of them just look, they look good enough, but she just out of the rest, isn't it? Alright guys, that's the end of the reaction to Little Mix. Isn't me? Reggaeton, isn't me? Very good video. Little Mix, not to lie, them sound good. You see me? If a girl group, I love them, cause them sound good and them can do them things, you see me? And them actually correspond well with each other. Big man thing, you see me? Like our Fifth Harmony break up, you know, so them have them girl are the new, you see me? Rise to stardom, and you have to give them respect and things, you see me? So the end of the reaction. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Peace out.